Hello.
That's Preston. It's not me.
No, that
That's
was
Preston's
Pete.
dodgy voice, that. Preston's dodgy voice.
Dodgy voice?
Hi,
What's
I'm
this?
Preston.
Everyone ready up?
From Scam.
Hey, do you
What?
talking to, you little bastard?
Are you on your Xbox or PlayStation, Pete?
On the
Everyone
Xbox.
ready up? Based.
You're ready, you Polish man.
Ready up, you Polish cunt, Pete.
Are you ready up?
Press A, man.
Pete's,
How do you ready
Bear in
up?
mind, I've not
Pete's
played
gonna be
one
massive
game on
at
this
this. How
since
do you
I
ready up?
downloaded it.
Pete's doing
Yeah,
it.
you've not got Fall Guys ambassador status yet.
He hasn't got... Kieran's a Fall Guys ambassador. We've seen his skill.
Oh, it
Mate,
was so
if-
funny that
if
stream
Kieran-
yesterday.
No, what,
Anything in category and nothing. There was loads of stuff I'd missed out.
yeah.
It was a good
you-
laugh. I
You
enjoyed
had
myself.
the thing that every streamer has to go through, streamer related. You have to accept that you're going to be shit at the game because you can't read the chat and be good at the game at the same time. And you fuckers
No,
always
no.
used to take the piss out of me on Battlefront 2.
Do you know what? I did not realise how hard it is to do
Hard,
that.
isn't it? And Kieran
It's
talks
in-
shit. Kieran talks shit and says, "Oh well, you know, I nearly did as well as you, Kieran."
How
No,
come you miss
Kieran,
my
if-
comments and stuff like that? Now I
Yeah,
understand.
Kieran, man, like,
Pete felt
it's
that
like,
pain.
Kieran, it's like when I've 1v1 Kieran and he's like, "Oh no, I nearly beat you." It's like, no, take away this chat, I'll smoke you.
We're back here.
Where are you?
I see everyone but Pete. By everyone, I
Yeah,
just can't.
We're not in the game.
It's just
but-
put me back up main menu.
Oh,
What?
really?
It's just
Alright.
put me back up main menu and you
Alright,
two
we'll
are just
back out. We'll back
sat
out.
at side of me.
But we
You
packed
two are
them
sat
in.
at side of me, but you're in the game. What the hell?
We'll back out. We'll back out. Well, hang on. Mate, hang on, mate. I need to make sure that we've got crossplay on.
Subrogation against Pete. Very rude.
Yeah, it's definitely on. Because otherwise I wouldn't be able to join you if crossplay were on.
Crossplay matchmaking. Yeah.
It wouldn't be on otherwise. If we were on, I
Come
wouldn't
on,
be able to join you. Don't know, that was weird, that. But yeah, I'm still in the group. That's what freaked me out.
Right, ready up. We'll see.
Join the game this time, Pete.
Howard Amaranth's still popular. Aye.
That was weird.
Yep.
It was.
Look, there's all of his children. Wait, you're grayed out in the playlist.
Is he? Look at,
Am I?
Yeah.
how do you check that?
Right click on so right stick. Clicking the right stick.
Oh, yeah.
But then so am I though.
Yeah, you both. Yeah.
You've just got that one of them gay banners, Preston.
How's that
Maybe
gay?
it's that.
It's got mountain sky. Oh, I've not been able to play it for 2 hours.
Oh, 2 of us.
Oh, can't even admit the truth.
Oh, little Preston. Shortest one in the
Oh,
pool.
fuck it. Oh.
How tall are you, Pete?
You sound like a pair of lemmings. Like, literally.
We are lemons. I've been called worse, Pete. I've been called worse.
Our original worms. I'll get you.
Original worm. I've never been called that.
Original worms. Do you remember original worms? Yes, one. It was the
I know what you
best.
meant by that, but just the way you said it without any
You
context.
original worm.
You're an original worm.
Fucking original.
Original worm.
Original. Are you in the game,
Right,
Pete?
you win. Yeah,
I
yeah,
see
yeah.
you,
See you
Pete,
later.
I see
See
you.
Yes,
you
I
later.
am.
You blue bastard.
I'm coming with you, Pete. I'm gonna grab you. So, Pete, do you know how to jump?
Oh, wait,
Pete, Pete's
first
already
thing is
out.
gotta-
Pete's already out.
I wish I just got hoofed off. Not happy about
Not up.
that. Yeah.
Pete, if I drop you off, do you promise to pass me with your bags of sugar?
Joking.
Give me that sugar, boy.
Some little douche keeps knocking me off.
Can we wait for Pete at the end? Just chuck him off.
Yeah.
You might have to at this rate.
You're gonna have to. Pete, please hurry, I want to kill you.
Pete, please don't be so shit at the game. He wants to murder you. See, this is why we need Kieran in, because it'll make Pete look good at the game.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the first time I've actually ever played this at all.
Yeah, whatever. I know you've
It
been
is.
playing in
I
secret.
downloaded it and I was like, do you know what? I'll wait till Kai wants me joining.
No, Pete.
If only Tiernan had that same skill.
I can see Pete. I think we could wait for
Oh,
him.
kill him!
Get here. Quickly, let's wait. Oh, he fell.
Well, one of us has to
It's
pass.
far enough. Never.
Get here, Pete. I want your sugar bags.
Get that sugar.
Not much sugar bags.
Imagine if you played a High song in Stranger Things because the character loved
Got an
Vikings.
achievement for style
and that
points.
song
That's
became
a good
an
one.
opener.
Well done.
How would you feel your song to be associated with the build of the male characters in it? Oh no, I know. I'm familiar with it. There's one cool, well, kind of cool character.
You did better than Kieran's first match, Pete.
Can't remember what that crazy one.
Really?
Yeah. Slag.
That stupid bitch making money.
Yeah, it's not allowed.
Who does she
It's
think
banned.
she is?
Who does she
Tell her to get back in the kitchen, Pete.
tell her, Pete?
You tell her.
Not a
As loud
chance.
as loud as you can. Go on, tell her to get back in the kitchen.
Not a chance. Not a chance. Not a chance.
Are you streaming?
No, she'll find me in
Tell her.
again.
You won't offend any Americans. Go on.
Please, Pete.
She's at side.
What?
She sat at side of me. Yeah, she's back
No,
now.
no,
missus.
no, not
She's at
your, not
me.
your missus, Pete. I'm not talking about
Oh,
your
right.
missus. I'm not one of your
Kate
Americans. I'm just
Bush.
saying, Kate Bush, like the
What,
singer.
Preston's mum.
No.
Tell
Don't
Preston's
say
mum.
that. Tell her to get back in the kitchen, but look at your wife when you say it.
Yeah, Pete.
Preston's mum, get back in the kitchen where you belong.
Get
That's why you're
back.
calling your wife Preston's mum. You got something to tell Preston?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, what, Pete?
Do as you're told.
Hey.
Do as you're told, son. Clean your room.
Oh, fuck you, Dad.
Ariana, click God.
Someone's tracking Pete down.
Pete, do you remember that time you were watching my stream at 8 in the morning? It caused an argument with you and the missus. Because you were
Yeah,
playing
did ya?
you did a tape.
Yeah. Instead of eating, I was
But
like,
your missus has just had an argument with me over you, Qui-Gon.
Me right, still
Yeah,
watching it at the dinner
it's
I
table.
was playing the crew, wasn't I? I remember it was the crew at like 8 in the morning.
Pete.
And you
Oh.
were just having your cornflakes. Oh, Qui-Gon Quasar.
Just
give me that, Luke. I'll jab you.
He says I'm a monkey, he's like, don't give me that, Luke.
that
Or
Luke.
not. I'll give you a jabbing bum.
I'll give you a
Come on, I
jelly
know you
bun.
will, Pete. You're well known for that.
She's kicking me.
What's Fall Guy?
What's for, guys?
What?
What's for, guys? Give me that, Luke. That for, guys, Luke.
What's Fall Guy?
You got a stronger accent than you, Preston.
I'm-
What's for, guys? What's that, Luke?
My mum needs to communicate with Pete.
No, I'll just talk about that. Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Yeah, room.
Hey, see the headset?
Hey,
That means I can't
Preston,
hear you. Go
If
away.
your mum comes in, kick it off. You need
Yes,
to put Pete
yes,
on
I
the
was
mic
about
with
to
it.
say, guy, we need to get back to speak to
Pete,
Pete.
you sort his mum out.
Listen
If
here,
he comes in, kick it
Preston's
off.
mum.
No, do it. You keep that fucking noise down, Preston.
Pete, I'll tell her my dad's on the. I'll tell her my dad's on the line. She wants to speak to
I
you.
would as well.
Oh, Pete. You don't need to be like this, do you?
Oh. Go on, Preston. Put
Yeah.
that helmet to good use. Go on, Preston. Put that helmet to good use.
Anything for Pete the Plumber. Ow! I've just been shot in the arse.
Oh
Ow!
my god,
Ow!
I've got that helmet on.
I've just been
He's
assaulted.
got his little special needs helmet
Not
on.
like 5 times in a row.
It was
Oh,
literally,
call it.
it was literally just aimed at me, Pete. It was just
What's
at me.
for, guys?
Come on, Lord Helmet. That's his new name, Lord Helmet, with that thing on. Come on, Lord Helmet. Get out there.
I will. Okay.
Up there,
on,
Lord
son.
Helmet.
No.
Lord Helmet from Spaceballs.
Pete, give me some motivation. Come on.
Get your tits out, motivating Pete. Like you did on that stream. the other
Jiggle
day.
and
I'm
wiggle.
not getting my moves out for no one.
You were being frigid, Pete. You could have made some serious money there.
And I would have paid.
Yeah, we would have been the first buyers. He was the one holding my hand.
I don't want to go that way.
Oh, see? Preston's going to beat you to the finish line now.
No, he's
Oh, maybe
not!
No, he's not! That was quality, that.
Give me that loot.
Look what you've
That
done,
was
Pete.
quality.
Not enough motivation.
Oh my god, that was the best landing ever.
Oh!
No,
Which one
Pete.
it was?
Push them snowballs like. There's an ogre next to me,
Where's
Pete.
Preston?
Ah!
Oh, Preston's like miles away, guy. Miles. You've let side down though.
Shall I push that?
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Pete, how many white balls are there? Stop!
There's quite a few. There's quite a few.
Look at them!
This is all Pete's fucking solidified cum rolling down us. He's angry he's not in the match with
You know what?
us.
This is
Have some of
quality
my
to
sugar
watch
and some of
this.
my cum.
Fuck's sake, Pete. Keep it
Actually
in.
proper
All along
awesome
we've
to
been
watch
thinking he was
this.
carrying bags of sugar to get him.
Oh,
He was
no.
ready.
Someone wants to speak to you?
I don't want to speak.
No, please. It's my dad.
Get back in that kitchen.
Oh,
Oh, I shouldn't.
should I go for it?
No, she'll have to
Can I have some toast?
No, you can be nastier than that, Pete.
Pete's like, guys, I've been nasty. Pete, can I have some toast?
Yeah. Pete, really put her in his place. Can I have some toast? This is
Yeah.
Pete fucking running through the ginnels where he cut his ear open.
No, Pete, fuck you.
Oh, I can't believe you brought that up. But I can't hear
I was quizzing myself for about 3 weeks about that. It's just the way that you explained that your kids were traumatized by it. Like, I just
They were
imagine you
proper
get to them covered in blood and
traumatized.
Looks at him like it's a monster.
I was screaming the kiddo frack because it's proper mega hurt.
Imagine the people that live
Like,
around there. They must have thought, oh,
you're
the
right,
right
right.
crackhead.
Yeah, you're fine then. Like, Ella just went, Dad, you bleeding, look at your ear. So like, I'd try to hold my phone up to the side of my head so I could see it.
Holding your
I
phone
took a
up.
picture of my ear so I could see it.
What, you do YouTube vlog? Hey guys, my ear's fucked.
Like,
Yeah,
a wedding suit.
Oh.
But yeah, they were like, they're loyal.
with the wedding
I
shot.
just found it. I just liked it. It's got Meghan Markle in it. Oh, you're joking me. It's got Meghan
Where are you
Markle
going
in
with
it.
this, Pete? Your wife sat next to you.
Yes, she does.
What?
There's no secrets. There's no secrets in here, guy. Trust me. There's
What
no
about
secrets.
Padme, Pete? What about Padme?
What?
Well, yeah, that's my first love. That she knows that one as well. Don't you better.
We're gonna hear just like a stab in a minute.
Natalie Portman. You know all about Natalie Portman, don't you? Yeah,
I know
see.
you do, Pete.
I know all about
I-
Sean
I
Thomas
think-
as well.
Pete,
At least the people
Who
that I like
Sean
are white.
Thomas? Sounds like a teacher. Mr. Thomas. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Pete, we all know what's going to happen when you get off the stream, alright? We all know.
Yeah, Pete, you're fucked.
Ask me.
Nah, it's all good. It's all good.
If I gave it my date now, it's my
Preston's,
just don't let me get that.
Pete's missus is up the duff as well. She's gonna be doubly angry.
I want to play it now.
Eric, can you shut up?
I want to do me fall, guys. What you want? It wants the code.
Who's that? Is that your kid?
He's not. Come on, Pete. Oh, he's not going to make it, is he? We need Kieran.
Again, he's gonna do it.
How we need Kieran and Pete to play because they'll be constantly arguing and they'll both be behind while we're just spectating.
I hate this game. I hate it.
Pete, you've got
swear
that.
to
I want
God.
to see who's worse, you or
worse.
Kieran.
We need to get them both in, guy.
Oh, come on. I can't even get past the first part. This is a joke.
Pete.
Oh, hurry up, Pete! Hurry up, Pete!
Pete, you can still make it.
He's done. Was that your
oh.
missus that wants to play Fall Guys?
No, flipping. Amy coming mithering me. It's like,
I
just go
told you,
away.
that's his daughter, Preston.
Yeah, Amy is my daughter. Yeah, oldest daughter.
What about me, Kai?
She frustrates me at the moment. She just doesn't listen to the word go away.
My mum's the same.
Ooh,
Do you know, I was just watching Preston's character then and trying to jump, wondering why it didn't jump. I swear to God.
Look at that, Pete. Wasn't that solid?
Oh,
Sorry, Preston, I'm not your real
that's
dad.
not very nice.
No, Pete. Pete, man, I'm gonna cry. That's horrible. You know.
Wow. Pete, that's disgusting.
I'm telling your missus about this.
You're gonna get Pete to murder you. Yeah, he takes bags of sugar as well, so I'll be careful, man. Is this true, Pete?
Oh,
Fuck.
go on.
Fuck.
Why
Perfect
is Pete
timing.
never in on this match? He's always dead by the time this match comes
Can't make it
around.
off the first one, can I?
I know Pete is
I need
always
some
doing that.
practice.
You need
How
some.
the hell do you not get shot there, guy? How? How?
I've just got a higher midichlorian count than you, bro. I'm
Literally,
afraid.
Preston got shot like every single shot. It hit him, no matter what he be doing. He still hit him.
Boing.
See, how lucky was that you fell behind the hammer where it was swinging round rather than actually hitting you? You get a lot more luck than I get.
Does it feel?
You're too
It's a
focused on lifting the sugar, bro.
Look at that.
Fuck you, Preston. Fuck off. I can see you trying to catch up. Bastard. Oh,
Like,
fuck.
see what I mean? I'd have been knocked off about 50 times there, and Kai's just like, yeah, I'll just stick to its side. It's fine. just, nah.
Eat shit, Preston.
Cheating going on here. Major cheating.
We all went together!
Got him before you.
Yeah, I don't think we can be friends anymore, Preston.
Alright, Pete. First you don't want to be me fucking... Fuck you, Pete. Start to think I don't like you anyways. Your fucking attitude.
Kai, I liked how you picked the smallest box to try and get on that blitz we've done and then realised.
Yep.
Quality.
Why is he moving the box? Stop moving it, man.
Because if someone can't get on, if you can't get up, you can't get. It's every time someone jumps on it, it's pushing it backwards.
Oh my god, look what they've done. Oh, this guy's fucking done it.
Oh, this is funny. Preston, that was. Oh, just gonna say that was luck.
Stop moving it! Kai, did you get blown up by the fan?
Yeah.
Stop moving me!
Not again. Not a fucking
God, you did,
again,
Kai.
man.
Fuck, so did I. Fuck. That fan's
Oh,
a pain in
I
the
just
arse.
beat you to it as well.
Oh god, I was last person in. That fan, it just got you there, Kai.
Aye.
And they got me. It is a pain in the arse.
It's down to Lord Helmet. Come on.
Going on.
What the hell is that thing on his head? What is that supposed to be like a dragon helmet or something? What is that?
Dragon into it.
What the fuck? He
It looks like a
crackhead.
rubbish cake.
Rubbish cake. Like one of the ones you get, like one of the caterpillar ones you get from Morrison.
Yeah, like a caterpillar log or something.
They're fucking like melted after 20 minutes and they just become like a mushy mess.
Yeah, they do melt proper quick then.
Oh shit, there's a
They
fan.
melt faster than ice lollies, and you don't buy a cake expecting a cake to melt.
No, not like that anyway.
No, like you won't buy a Victoria sponge and come home and
Like,
have
literally, you
it's
cut
melted.
it, and then by the time you pass it to kids who won't eat it, it's just they're just
It's
it's
just
like
mush.
a little turd off their hands. It's that
It's
melting.
like a yogurt, isn't it? It's like a mousse.
Yeah.
It's just some fucking mush.
You could probably get to the other one by using the fan.
Thanks, Kai. Thanks, Kai. You gonna kill me with your fucking fan, you bastard.
Well, you could have done. You see what I'm going for, but you would have had to jump to the side.
Report
first.
player, grieving
player.
bad sport. Submit.